Ever wondered how antibiotics know what to kill? Dive into the fascinating world of these smart drugs, exploring their targeting mechanisms, the rising threat of resistance, and how to use them wisely. Your body's internal defense story starts here. Well, I'll be. You're feeling rotten, right? Your throat's scratchy, your head's pounding, and a trip to the doc ends with a prescription for antibiotics. You take the pill, and like magic, you start to feel better. But have you ever stopped mid-swallow and wondered, how on earth does this tiny pill know exactly which bad guys to take out without trashing the whole neighborhood? I mean, it's not like it has a little GPS for bacteria. Or does it? The question of how antibiotics know what to kill is a brilliant tale of biological espionage, a microscopic manhunt happening right inside your body. It's not about smarts in the way we think, it's about exploiting fatal flaws. So, buckle up. We're about to dive deep into the world of these microbial assassins. The Great Divide. Bacterial versus human cells 101. First things first, to get the lowdown on how antibiotics know what to kill, we gotta understand the fundamental difference between us and them. Bacteria, for all the trouble they cause, are incredibly simple compared to our own complex human cells. Think of it like the difference between a sleek, modern sports car, your cell, and a beat-up old go-kart, the bacterium. The wall. Almost all bacteria have a rigid cell wall made of peptidoglycan, a substance your human cells don't have. It's like their personal suit of armor. Without it, they pop like a water balloon. The factory. Bacteria have completely different machinery for making proteins. Their ribosomes, the protein factories, are smaller and structurally distinct from ours. The blueprint. Even their DNA replication process uses different enzymes. And bingo! That's the secret. Antibiotics aren't wise old sages making choices. They're precision tools designed to sabotage machinery that only the bad guys possess. They're like a master thief who only knows how to pick the locks on one specific brand of safe. The arsenal. A guide to the hitman's toolkit. Alright, so antibiotics have their targets. But how do they actually pull off the hit? They've got a whole bag of tricks, each one targeting a specific bacterial weakness. Let's break down the most common methods. 1. The wall breachers, cell wall synthesis inhibitors, penicillin and its cousins, like amoxicillin, are the classic example here. Wandering through your